name is Vishnu Charan. I'm currently working as a CMM engineer at Infinite Computer Solutions. I did my internship at Mindway from July 2024 to February 2025 in the duration of 8 months. First, I'd like to divide this response into two aspects. First is the things people won't concentrate on much, which are things like communication skills. At the same time, things which involves in teamwork. In those two aspects, I must say that I have improved a lot after coming to Mindway by communicating with the people with the different minds and communicating with the people with different domains. Being an intern in a startup, it is not a thing like you'll be working all day in a single domain. You have to collaborate with the different domains where different people are involved. So I must say that through all this process, my communication skills have been improved a lot. And coming to technical domains, after coming to Mindway, the people here gave me freedom to do R&D and do research on my own. At first, which I found it very difficult without a mentor. But after a few weeks, I must say a few months, after getting into the spectrum, it was like a cakewalk for me, like exploring new things. And I must say that I would like to thank Mindway in terms of improving me as an explorer into new things. It made me fear-free while exploring the new domains and researching the new things and presenting POCs without any hesitation and expressing my own opinion on things without any hesitations. Thank you.